Easy Spirit Guides Meditation. Everyone who has ever loved you is here with you now and all the time. Look around. Notice where you are right now. Appreciate this time-space reality. Breathe slowly and deeply. Smile and close your eyes. Begin to feel your body. How it feels to have a head without seeing it. How it feels to have a neck without seeing it. How it feels to have arms, hands, chest, belly, waist, hips without seeing them. How to feel to have thighs, knees and feet without seeing them. Connect to your spirit guides energy by focusing on something that you currently love. Like, for example, try to feel the energy of I love the sun, I love the rain, I love the sky, I love the birds, I love the trees, oceans, rivers, I love people, sisters, brothers. Say to yourself, I love and I am loved. I love and I am loved. And breathe with an open mind. Surround yourself with this love. You can give it a color, you can give it texture, you can give it a taste or a smell. Visualize it, how it's all around you. Starting from your heart, emanating through your body to the space you're in, the house you're in, the garden you're in, the city you're in, the country you're in, the continent you live in, and the planet Earth you're living in. Connect with the frequency of love. Because it's in this love frequency where you actually can meet your spirit guides. This energy of love that emanates from you and reflects from everything around you towards you. The same energy is hugging you back. Say to yourself, I don't ever go anywhere alone. Breathe and with an open mind. Now Imagine your guides, your spirit guides, all sitting or standing all around you in your space that you're in your peripheral. Internally, give it value. Get into the receiving mode. Receive the love that they have for you. Say to yourself, I don't ever go anywhere alone. And breathe with an open mind. Continue to breathing slowly and deeply, feeling the presence of your spirit guides all around you. Be present to the spirit world that wants to nurture you, the spirit world that wants to support you and love you unconditionally. And breathe through this knowing. Breathe in, know it. Exhale, knowing it. Be present to the spirit world that wants to nurture you, support you, and love you unconditionally by breathing in the knowing of it and breathing out your knowing of it. Breathe deeply and wake up your spirit. Open up to your spirit guides and internally name all that you love right now. All the people, all the places, all the experiences, all the material goods, all the feelings. Wake up your spirit world. Open up to your spirit guides by giving them names. Name your spirit guides. Connect a relationship with them and breathe in deeply through this knowing. Internalize it and exhale it with the knowing of it. Say to yourself, I don't ever go anywhere alone. And now, thank your spirit guides for always being here with you and watching over you and bringing all these blessings along your life path. Breathe in slowly, know it, they are there, and exhale slowly with this knowing, with the new and renowned spirit guide connection that you just re-established by your breath, conscious breathing into the knowledge. I don't ever go anywhere alone. Exhaling, still holding the knowledge. I don't ever go anywhere alone. Now take 5 more deep breaths and then slowly open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. slowly open your eyes